With his legal troubles now behind him, reggae artist Buju Banton, whose given name is Mark Myrie, says he only wants to be associated with music. The artist was released from prison in the United States on Friday after serving time for drug-related charges. But while Buju hasn't said much since arriving in Jamaica, persons in the entertainment industry say they expect great things, while admitting that it's not an easy road ahead.
Buju, sir. Buju, sir.
Buju Banton back on Jamaican soil. For fans and fellow entertainers alike, it was euphoric.
First night when we see him walk out of the plane and them have them videos there go through from him there in Georgia. Yeah, it's a nice vibe.
For reggae artist Tony Rebel, Buju's 8-year absence created musical anxiety for most, if not all, Jamaicans. There have been questions in some quarters, however, about the reception in Jamaica for a man incarcerated on drug charges.
Once you're a human, anything can happen to you, you know. So if something happened to you and you overcome it, Jamaicans are people who are resilient people, and we love to see that in people. You know what I mean? And it was obvious that he demonstrated that he had stayed in a place of confinement, which for a lot of people, maybe they couldn't have done that for 9 days, much more 9 years. And he did that and him come forward. So people appreciate love that.
I am not sure. There might be individuals who might have their own concerns about the nature of the charge. I think there are others who are loyal to him and believe in him and will just perhaps ignore the implications of the charges, you know, because what they are seeing is somebody who is very talented, who is iconic, and I don't think that will change for many.
In addition to thanking his fans and support system, on social media, Buju stated, quote, "I only want to be associated with my craft," end quote. His statement went on to say that he wants to continue making music, which he has devoted his life to. But for cultural commentator Clyde McKenzie, it may not be business as usual for Buju, as his incarceration will impact aspects of his career going forward.
Well, there's always going to be the implications from your not being able to travel to certain spaces as a result of this conviction. I think that might be a limit for him. But I think in terms of his output, I think that will be there. I don't think he's going to be slowing down anytime soon.
Him first show set at March, which is fine. Him just forward and need time for himself and for check out him whole vibe. In terms of that, yeah man, I will pay my money to go and see him because him is a great artist, so I think that will work out wonderful. And hope to work with him. Yeah man, all possibility exists.
Herman Green, TVJ News.